Hey guys, welcome to my biology channel. I hope these videos can actually help you understand the concepts of biology, because I know listening to a teacher isn't actually pretty fun, but watching YouTube videos actually helped me, and I hope this can help you. So the biology book I'll be using today is the Hope McDougall Little biology book. And shout out to Broward County Schools for having it online. The thing I want to cover today is 1.1, the study of life. So let's go over some vocabulary. The first word is biosphere. Biosphere is all organisms in the part of Earth where they exist. So we all live in a biosphere. The second word is biodiversity. Biodiversity is variety of life within an area. The third word is species. Species is a group of organisms so similar to one another that they can breed and produce fertile offspring. The next word is biology. And biology is the scientific study of all forms of life. The next word is organisms. Organisms is any individual living thing. Cell, basic unit of life. Metabolism is all chemical processes that synthesize or
break down materials within an organism.
And the last word for this chapter is DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, molecule that stores genetic information in all organisms. So in each chapter there's a key concept and a main idea, and the key concept is basically the summary of the whole chapter in a sentence. So the key concept for this chapter is biologists study life in all of its forms. The main idea throughout this chapter is that Earth is home to an incredible diversity of life, and all organisms share certain characteristics. Now let's discuss some of the main ideas of this chapter. So the first vocab word we discussed was biosphere. And the biosphere includes land environments such as deserts, grassland, and different types of forests. Biospheres also include saltwater and freshwater environments, as well as portions of the atmosphere. So again, biosphere is all living things that make up a part of Earth, and we all live in a biosphere. So within a biosphere, or Earth, there is biodiversity, which is the variety of life. Across the biosphere, the variety of life is called biodiversity. Biodiversity is greater closer to the equator, since the equator is an imaginary line where it's hotter, basically. So obviously, human life cannot exist around the north or south of the Earth because it's colder in those temperatures, and which makes it very difficult and nearly impossible to survive. So in our biosphere, or Earth, we have many species. There are about 2 million different living species on Earth that have been discovered, and there are way more to be discovered. Over half of the known species are insects, but no one knows how many insect species actually exist due to the fact that we haven't discovered everything yet. Every year, biologists discover at least 10,000 new species, which is great and keeps adding to our discovered species list. So, all organisms need a source of energy for their life processes. The energy is the ability to cause or do work. Animals get their source of energy by eating other organisms. In all organisms, energy is important for metabolism, or all of the chemical processes that build up and break down materials. So metabolism actually helps us break down our food to make that into energy. So members of a species must have the ability to produce new individuals to keep that species running and alive. So when organisms reproduce, they pass on their genetic material to their offspring. In all organisms, the genetic material is a molecule called deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. So single-celled organisms can reproduce when one cell divides into 2 cells. Both those new cells have genetic information that is identical to the original cell. This genetic fusion makes me, me, and you, you. So that's it, guys. That was the main concept of this chapter. I hope you guys learned. And if you guys want me to do any other videos, just let me know down in the comment box below. And I hope you enjoyed.